Hi, I'm Cameron with IB English. Be happy. Let's read together. Let's be happy. 今日はカエルとウシのお話をします。Let's start. An ox came down to a pool to drink. As he came into the water, he crushed a young frog into the mud.The old frog soon missed the little one and asked his brothers and sisters what had happened to him. A great big monster, said one of them, stepped on little brother with one of his huge feet. Big was he, said the old frog, puffing herself up. Was he as big as this? Oh, much bigger, they cried.The frog puffed up still more. He could not have been bigger than this, she said. But the little frogs all said that the monster was much, much bigger, and the old frog kept puffing herself out more and more until all at once she burst. Do not attempt the impossible.See you next time and be happy.
最後までご視聴いただきありがとうございます。面白かったらチャンネル登録とグッドボタンをよろしくお願いします。次回もお楽しみに。Be happy!